In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts notifications in Exness. We'll walk through creating a clear, reliable alert so you can step away from the charts and still know exactly when price reaches a level that matters to you. First, open the Exness web trading platform in your browser. When the terminal loads, you should see your watch list, chart area, and the toolbar along the top. That's where we'll be working. Choose the instrument you want to trade. Click it from your watch list or search for it, and confirm you've got the correct symbol on the chart. Alerts are specific to the market you select, so make sure it's the right one before continuing. Look to the top right of the terminal for the alert icon, usually shown as a bell. Click it to open the Alerts panel. This is your control center for creating, viewing, and managing alerts. Next, click New Alert. A setup window appears where you'll define exactly how and when the alert should trigger. Type in the alert price. Enter the exact level that should notify you. Be precise and use the correct number of decimal places for the instrument. A practical tip is to choose a level tied to structure, like a recent swing high or low, or a clear support or resistance, so your alert aligns with a plan rather than a random number. Now choose whether the alert should be based on the bid price or the ask price. The bid is the sell price and the ask is the buy price. If you're waiting for a buy entry to be reached, the ask often makes more sense. If you're tracking a level relevant to closing a long or evaluating profit targets, the bid may be the better reference. Pick the option that matches your intent. Set when the alert should expire. Select a date and time so the alert doesn't stay active forever. Check the time zone shown in the platform to ensure the expiry lines up with your schedule. You can add a note. Write a short reminder about why you set the alert, what to check when it triggers, or the action you plan to take. This context is helpful when you get the notification later. Decide if you want a recurring alert. A one-time alert will notify you once and then turn off. Recurring alerts will notify you each time price hits or crosses your level, which is useful in choppy or ranging conditions. Finally, click Add Price Alert to save it. Your alert is now active, and you'll receive notifications according to your platform and device settings. Consider ensuring notifications are allowed on your device and browser. And remember, alerts inform you, they don't execute trades, so review your plan before acting. That's all you need to set price alerts in Exness. Stay informed, react faster, and trade with a clear plan.